Hey everyone, don't ever let anyone tell you that you ever have to really grow up. So super fun and silly, but awesome at the same time. I have mid-70s examples of high watt 100 watt, high watt 50 watt, Sound City Master 100 and Sound City Master Lead 50. And I thought what I would do was run each one of the heads through the same exact IR, and also utilizing the new Fryette PLIR. And we're gonna set the amps up so that they look the same visually, and then listen to what they sound like. So I'm not trying to make each amp sound its best right now. I'm just plugging it in, playing the same musical example 4 times in a row so we can get sort of a baseline on what each amp sounds like. So let's give it a listen.